In this video, we're talking all about material price fluctuations and how to beat those crazy spikes in lumber, tiles, and fixtures that can throw off your whole home project budget. Alright, so here's the deal. Prices for building materials can jump out of nowhere because of supply chain hiccups or sudden demand surges, and that can totally mess with your plans. One smart move is to buy your materials early whenever you can, like locking in prices before they shoot up. Also, snagging a bit of extra stuff while you're at it isn't a bad idea, especially for future repairs. Trust me, it saves you a headache down the line. Don't just settle for the first price you see. Shop around online and at local stores, cause sometimes you catch a sweet deal or discount. If lumber's looking too pricey, try some alternative materials that get the job done but won't break the bank. Another tip is to keep an eye on market trends, so you kind of know when prices might spike and when it's chill to buy. Bulk buying with friends or neighbors doing similar projects can also help split costs and get better rates. And last but not least, always factor in a little wiggle room in your budget for these surprise price changes, so you're not caught off guard. One of the biggest mistakes people make dealing with material price fluctuations is waiting until the last minute to buy everything, which usually means paying way more. Another common issue is not comparing prices across different suppliers, so you end up overpaying or missing out on better quality options at similar costs. And a third one? Ignoring alternative materials just because you're used to traditional stuff. It's often cheaper and just as good if you do your research. The fix is pretty simple. Plan ahead, shop smart by checking multiple sources, and don't be afraid to try something new when prices go nuts. If you want to save time and stress, bighomeprojects.com is clutch because it connects homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and offer solid prices. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, the site helps you find projects that fit your skills, so everyone wins. No more guessing or endless searching.